How can you clean a dirty mattress at home? Are you tired of looking at those unsightly stains on your mattress? Well, fear not, because today we're going to show you how to clean a dirty mattress right at home. With just a few simple steps, you can get your mattress looking and smelling fresh again. To get started, you'll need a few supplies: a vacuum cleaner with an upholstery attachment, some baking soda, a spray bottle filled with a 50-50 mixture of water and distilled white vinegar, and a few clean towels. Don't forget to grab some gloves if you want to keep your hands clean during the process. First things first, strip your bed and toss those sheets and pillowcases into the wash. Now, grab your vacuum cleaner and thoroughly vacuum the entire mattress, making sure to get into all the nooks and crannies. This will help remove any dust, dirt, and debris that may be lurking on the surface. Next, it's time to tackle those pesky stains. With your spray bottle in hand, lightly mist the stained areas with the vinegar solution. Be careful not to oversaturate the mattress, as too much moisture can lead to mold and mildew. Gently dab the stains with a clean towel, repeating the process until the stains have lifted. Now that the stains are gone, it's time to deodorize and freshen up your mattress. Generously sprinkle baking soda all over the mattress, paying special attention to any areas where odors may be lingering. Let the baking soda work its magic for at least 30 minutes, or even better, leave it on overnight. Once the baking soda has done its job, vacuum it up using the upholstery attachment on your vacuum cleaner. Make sure to get every last bit, as you don't want any residue left on your mattress. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've successfully cleaned and refreshed your dirty mattress at home. Now all that's left to do is make your bed with clean linens and enjoy a great night's sleep on your fresh and cozy mattress. Sweet dreams!